So I don't know what I filmed before this, and I don't know if this is going to be a part of like a vlogtober type of thing. I know I put out a vlog not too long ago, which was my sister's bachelorette and wedding video, so I hope you guys enjoyed that. But I wasn't really remembering that it was like vlogtober season, so I'm still gonna keep like into the vlogging mood, but I don't know if this is just gonna be like an October monthly vlog because I don't know how much I'm gonna be filming throughout the weeks. But I will be having some fun things coming up, including tonight, so I'll probably just incorporate that into one vlog, but if not, you guys will see. But as for tonight, I am actually going to be celebrating one of my sister's birthday, not the one that got married, but the other one, which is my older sister. Her birthday is actually on Monday, and her boyfriend is actually taking her to this like dinner show thing called Dwayne Park in Manhattan. Well, like lower Manhattan. I don't know if any of you ever heard of it. It's almost like a showgirls sort of like dinner. I know you can take photos in there, so I'll see if I could get like some clips. Don't know if I can really insert them, but if so, you guys will be seeing that. So we're gonna be taking her there. I don't know if she knows that I'm going with them. It's kind of like a surprise, but they're about to pick me up soon. So I just got dressed. I'm just wearing this like little corduroy teal blue thing, like this v-neck cardigan underneath, some flare black pants that I wore in the last vlog. If you saw the scene when I was like playing pool with my sister and her husband, then you would have seen I'm wearing the same exact bottoms with the boots and everything. So I just did my hair, curled it quite a bit, put some makeup on, looking a little fall vibe in here. Not really feeling the blue, but it is what it is. Kind of chilly today. I think it's gonna be like in the 50s or like late 40s. So it's gonna be pretty cool tonight. But yeah, I will vlog when we are on our way.
Head up in the clouds, oh my, since I met you. Heart out of my sleeve, now what will I do? DJ, you celebrate me like no other man. My femininity takes off like a champagne bottle. The sun has been outshined, the planet's totally alive. I'm bitten, they're bitten, I'm bitten. Red lips, red fingertips, red lights every night. Since I met you, it's been somehow rational's been flushed down the toilet by us. Oh, what a madness. You celebrate me like no other man. My femininity takes off like a champagne bottle. The sun has been outshined, the planet's totally alive. I'm bitten, they're bitten, I'm bitten, they're bitten, yeah. I'm bitten, they're bitten. Beyond crazy, we're beyond crazy, yeah. Red lazy. Oh, you celebrate me like no other man. My femininity takes off like a champagne bottle. The sun has been outshined, the planet's totally alive. I'm bitten, they're bitten, I'm bitten.
This is my first talking clip of this video. If not, then I did do an intro with the same face. Not sure if I included it, but if I did, then there's a repeat. But yeah, I just finished putting up a mirror because I realized I needed a mirror on top of my shelf that I have in my living room, and it was one of the most difficult processes that I've ever had to do just now. It took me at least an hour to try to get it up, mainly because the mirror is so heavy that it was kind of hard for me to lift up, and I wasn't tall enough where I'm putting it or where I put it, because I had to use a step stool and I felt really unstable and I had to keep stopping and trying again. But in the meantime, I did finish Halloween because, as a clip that you might have seen, I was starting it last night and I was just tired, so I didn't finish it. But I finished it just now as I was like giving myself a break, and I don't know how I feel about it. I feel like it was just very like expected, but then just like rushed. Like, kind of what was the point? I don't know. That's just my views on it. But yeah, I still watched it, you know, it's Halloween season, so. But I'm going to continue decorating. I know I am like halfway through the month, but you know, it doesn't matter. I still want in here to feel more spooky for when Halloween actually does come. But yeah, I put this mirror up and I'm gonna show you guys. I got it from Target. I'll link it down below. It was only 80 bucks and it's like a gold color. I think they also had it in black, but I've just been really needing a mirror on top of my shelf in my living room because that's kind of what I wanted last year, especially when I was doing like the Christmas decor, like where you could put like a wreath in the center of the mirror and stuff. I just thought that was cute, instead of just buying a bunch of different artwork that I get tired of. At least like a mirror that you can keep all year round, whereas like artwork is like sometimes my style changes a lot. So I thought this would be a simple way that I could just keep that up all the time and just decorate around it. So let me show you. So this is the mirror. Like I said, I'll link it down below. I have it above my IKEA shelf that I put up here. As before, I did like decorate this shelf with like other stuff for Halloween. I did that like last week and I didn't really like how it turned out. Like I did, but at the same time it felt like too much and I kind of wanted something like more simple. And plus, like I said, I want this mirror for like Christmas time and stuff. So yeah, I feel like just the decor wasn't working out too much, like what I was doing with the Halloween stuff. So I just like decided to go for this mirror and it works pretty well. I'm just a little bit scared. I did have to use anchors because I think this wall is kind of like hollow. So I used the anchors that came with it and I'm hoping it's stable and fine, because if this thing falls, knock on wood, that's gonna be really bad because it's like 17 pounds, which doesn't sound like a lot, but it is. So yeah, yesterday I also decorated this, as you guys saw. Kind of like it. I don't know about like this netting thing, but I like it so far. But now I'm going to decorate this area. Yes, there is fingerprints on the mirror because that's how difficult it was for me to hang it up, but I'm gonna film myself decorating this little shelf and hopefully that will be the end of this Halloween decorating. So let's go. Behind me. I'm not going to show you guys yet because I feel like it looks pretty plain during the daytime, but once I like turn on all the candles later on tonight, as well as like light some candles in my apartment, I'll like do an overview of everything that I put up. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will be seeing you very soon in another vlog because a lot more exciting things are happening this month. So I will see you guys then, and thank you for watching. Bye.